Which blender actually makes baby food prep easier? Simple question, but the answer isn't obvious. Most look the same. Same claims, same buttons, but real parents know the difference shows up in daily use. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 that actually deliver. Product number 1, Groundsy One-Step Baby Food Maker. The Groundsy Baby Food Maker caught my eye because it does everything in one machine. Steam, blend, grind, even sterilize. At $88, it's mid-range, and over 6,000 sold last month shows it's popular for a reason. If you want an all-in-one system that cuts down on kitchen clutter and saves time, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in steaming basket uses real steam, not boiling, to lock in vitamins B and C, something pediatricians actually recommend for baby nutrition. The 4.13-inch blending cup fits perfectly under the steamer, so you cook and blend without transferring food, reducing mess and nutrient loss. Plus, the auto-sterilize mode means you can clean bottles and pacifiers while cooking dinner. With 600 watts of power and Triton plastic that's BPA-free, it's safe, sturdy, and designed for babies 6 months and up. Now, some people complained about the small blending capacity, only about 1 cup max, which makes batch cooking tricky if you have twins or want leftovers. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for big families or meal prepping for weeks. It's built for daily, single-serving use. If you're making 1 meal at a time, it's perfect. This is perfect for you if you want a compact, no-fuss machine that handles everything from cooking to cleaning. Skip this one if you need to make large batches or prefer glass over plastic. For the price, it's a solid value, especially with the included recipe book and 1-year warranty. Product number 2, NutriBullet Baby Turbo Steamer. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for busy parents who want speed and simplicity. The NutriBullet Baby Turbo Steamer is only $38, less than half the price of others, and over 3,000 bought it last month. It's not a blender, but a steamer with defrost and sterilize modes. If you already have a good blender or immersion stick, this could be your secret weapon. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It steams, defrosts frozen baby food, and sterilizes bottles, all with 1-button control and 5 timer settings. That means you can go from frozen puree to warm meal in under 10 minutes, no thawing required. The 400 cubic inch capacity fits multiple bottles or a full meal's worth of veggies. And since all parts are dishwasher safe, cleanup takes seconds. It's lightweight, compact, and plugs into any outlet with a 39-inch cord. Great for small kitchens. Now, some people complained it doesn't blend, so you still need another tool to puree. Here's the thing though. If you're using a NutriBullet adult blender, which many parents already own, this steamer complements it perfectly. You get fresh, nutrient-rich steamed food without buying a bulky combo machine. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, fast steaming and sterilizing without replacing your current blender. Skip this one if you need everything in one device or don't own a separate blender. At $38, it's an incredible value for what it does. Product number 3. Mom Cozy Auto Meal Baby Food Maker. Now, if the NutriBullet's lack of blending bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Mom Cozy Auto Meal is a premium all-in-one at $101, with over 1,000 sold last month. It steams, blends, self-cleans, and even adjusts texture automatically. If you want hands-off, restaurant-quality puree with zero guesswork, this is the one. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 6-blade cyclone design uses steam circulation to create ultra-smooth purees in 18 to 25 minutes. No manual blending needed. The auto 3-stage texture control means you can go from silky smooth for newborns to chunky for baby-led weaning, all with one touch. The 15-ounce cup makes up to 4 servings, perfect for batch cooking. Plus, the self-clean mode uses steam and water to rinse the cup in minutes. No scrubbing required. Now, some people complained it's loud during blending and takes up counter space. Here's the thing though, the noise is typical for high-powered motors, and the compact design, under 10 inches tall, fits most cabinets. If you value convenience over silence, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want the most automated, feature-rich machine and don't mind spending a bit more. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer manual control. For busy parents, the time savings make it worth every penny.
Product number 4, AMZ Baby Chef 4-in-1 Baby Food Maker. All right, that was high-end. But what if you want most of those features for half the price? The AMZ Baby Chef 4-in-1 is $51, with 800 plus sold last month. It steams, blends, defrosts, and reheats, basically everything except sterilizing. If you want dogongnang at a budget-friendly price, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The large 2-liter capacity lets you cook multiple meals at once, saving time during busy weeks. The unique steam circulation system locks in nutrients better than boiling, and you can adjust puree thickness from fine to chunky. The auto shutoff timer means you can walk away while it cooks. No babysitting required. Made with BPA-free Triton, it's safe and durable. Now, some people complained the blending isn't as smooth as pricier models, especially with meat or fibrous veggies. Here's the thing though, for fruits and soft veggies, it works great. For tougher foods, a quick pre-steam helps. It's not perfect, but for the price, it's impressive. This is perfect for you if you want a large capacity, multi-use machine without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need ultra-smooth purees or sterilizing. At $51, it's one of the best values on this list. Product number 5, BC Baby Care Glass Baby Puree Blender. Now, if you're worried about plastic touching your baby's food, this next one might be your answer. The BC Baby Care blender is $51, uses a glass bowl, and has 700 plus sales last month. It's not a steamer, but a powerful puree-only blender. If you already steam foods separately and want the safest, cleanest blending, this stands out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The glass bowl never absorbs odors or stains and won't leach chemicals when heated. The 8-blade, 6-layer design purees in just 8 seconds, faster than most. One-touch control lets you adjust thickness, and the safety lock prevents accidents. The 10-ounce capacity is perfect for single servings, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Now, some people complained it's small and can't handle large batches. Here's the thing though, that's by design. It's made for fresh, daily meals, not meal prepping for a week. If you're cooking fresh every time, size isn't an issue. This is perfect for you if you prioritize glass over plastic and want fast, safe blending. Skip this one if you need steaming or large capacity. For purity-focused parents, it's a top choice. So which one's right for you? The Grown-C is great for all-in-one convenience. NutriBullet wins for budget steaming. Mom Cozy leads in automation. AMZ Baby Chef offers big capacity for less. And Beak Baby Care is best for glass purists. There's no single winner, just the one that fits your kitchen, budget, and baby's needs. Let me know which one you're trying in the comments.